Hello everyone, this is K Properties and we have an amazing house and lot for sale right now located at Alberlyn Boxhill Residences in Barangay Mohon, Talisay, Cebu City. So this is a two-story single attached house with 3 bedrooms. It has 2 toilet and bath, kitchen, cabinet and sink. It has a mini lawn. It has a car garage and it has a floor area of 68 square meters and a lot area of 79 square meters. And Alberlyn Boxhill Residences has a lot of amenities included. So it has exclusive gated community, concrete perimeter fence, it has a clubhouse, it has a swimming pool, it has a basketball court and children's playground. So you can say that this house and the whole Alberlyn Boxhill residence is suited for your family. So by the way, this house and lot is priced at only 4.8 million pesos. So if you want to check out this house, you could contact us on the numbers below, and you can also email us on the email ads below and message us on our Facebook page. I'll just put the links on the description down below. So once again, this is an amazing house at Alberlyn Boxhill Residences in Barangay Mohon, Talisay City, priced really cheap at only 4.8 million pesos down below. What are you waiting for? Go check this one out. Who knows, this might be your future home. And thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is K Properties and see you on our next video.